Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Mission to Millions. If you're new here, please do subscribe to our channel for more videos and press the bell icon to watch our videos first. In today's video, I'm going to tell you, is starting a food business is good idea or bad idea? So this video I have recorded with my personal experiences in food business, and I have seen my friends in doing food business, and also I thought I would record this and I'll tell you how it actually works and is it a good or bad. So first let me tell you one thing. Food business is a really good business where you can generate 40% of the profit. Like if you're preparing any product, like whatever food you are preparing, it will generally cost you 30 to 40% of the actual value. Whatever you sell, it will cost you only 30 to 40%, and another 30 to 40% will go for a rent and workers, everything. It will go another 30 to 40%, and you will get a profit of minimum 20 to 30% of profit in every food business. Though we have this much of profit in food business, 70% of the food businesses fail within 1 or 2 years of the span. So what are the main problems that these food businesses are facing? And actually, if you want to do something big, and why you will be not able to do something big in food business, like I'll just tell you a few of the things. See, the main problem that the restaurant owners and the small food business owners they face is the dependency on workers. See, whatever the food business you have, it is completely dependent on chef. See, suppose if you don't know to cook, and you hired a guy to cook, then it is completely dependent on that chef. If you don't want to come today, then you have to close your shop. That is the biggest problem that the food business is facing, like the owners are facing. And see, one thing you can do, if you're passionate about cooking, if you're passionate about particularly food business only, then this is the perfect business for you. But if you just want to make big money and just want to grow fast in your life, then this is like it's little difficult, because see, the first problem that I already told you, that is managing that workers. Like it is completely dependent on workers, and there are few other problems, like see, systemizing. Here in second one, systemizing is little difficult. See, you can do see, if you're doing a business in large scale, that is perfectly fine. But if you're a new business and you're starting newly and you want to systemize the business, then it is really difficult. And if you are not systemizing any business, and if you're running a business with your presence all the time in your restaurant or shop, whatever you have, then it is like kind of a job, not a business. Business is something like you just set up everything and you go home and you'll get money. That's how business works. And if you're earning money, then if you're earning money with your 100% of presence at the shop, then it is kind of a job only. It's not a business, and it's a high paying job. So systemizing is also kind of difficult. Like we have tried everything. We tried for CCTV cameras, we tried billing machines, everything we did. Still, whenever we are there, workers will they will work good, but when we are not there, they will act however they want, and customers get like kind of disappointed. They'll get disappointed by the behavior of that workers and all. So one thing you can do is, if you have to learn the art of maintaining these people, how to maintain this worker, you have to play with them. Like if you're a normal guy and you don't know about how to maintain the workers, then it is really difficult for you to survive in the food business. That is the second thing. Systemizing is very difficult. And third one is multiplying the businesses. So what happens is, you have one shop and you earn some particular amount of money every month, like 70,000 profits, 80,000 profit you're earning. But what you have to do is, to grow, you have to multiply the shops. Here in food business, if you want to multiply, if you want to make one shop as 2 shops, then it is like you have to do whole things from the new level. You have to hire a new chef, you have to hire new workers, and this is again heavy burden for you. And anyway, you can hire a manager, but still this problem we will face, that again it is dependence on workers only. So I suggest, like, if you are passionate about particularly food business, and if you're doing it in a large scale, then just do it, don't care about anything. But if you're a small business, you're starting a new food business, then think twice. Like, if your intention is just to make money, not you're not passionate about food business, and just your intention is just to make money, then think twice before starting any food business, because the main problem that you face is dependency and systemizing the business. It's really difficult to systemize a food business. See, just consider any other business, like any grocery business or anything, any kind of small business, that if one guy is not ready to work, if he is doing extras, then you can send that guy immediately and bring new guy, or you can work it in that place 1 or 2 days. That's absolutely no problem. But in food business, if one guy is not ready to work, then you have to bring the same guy, like kind of same food taste he should give, and you have to train. If you don't find anybody, you have to train the other guy. Then it's all like big process and all. So I suggest go for some good business, like just like it should not be dependent on somebody. Like, it's not only, I'm not talking only about like only food business, like it includes only like meals and all, biryani business and all. It includes chai coffee shops, this and all. So if you're running with your presence, that is well and good, but if you want to systemize this, then it is difficult in the food business. I hope the video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and take care of your parents.